I am Tejaswini Srinivas. Welcome to this video lecture. Now let us understand the functions and scope of statistics. See, when I am talking about the function of statistics, it is express facts relating to different phenomena in numbers. Okay, so basically I am presenting the complex data in a very simple form so that it becomes easy to understand and easy to comprehend. Enlarges an individual knowledge, experience, and power of reasoning. See, I gave an example. If I wanted to find out a number of people who are a number of households in India who are using a car. Now I collected the data and now I am expressed the fact that okay, this is the households who have a car. So basically now I had collected so much of data under census, but that I am presenting that complex data in a simple format such as table or maybe a graph or maybe a diagram. Okay, so what happens when such data is collected and presented in a simple format, and individual who is reading it, his knowledge gets enhanced. Because of his enhanced knowledge and experience, his power of reasoning becomes better. And the fourth point is, it helps in comparing the data relating to facts and facilities policy formulation. Why do you think that the government of India collects the data for census? Why the census process is carried out every 10 years? Based on that, they are able to formulate the policies which can help the lowest category of the society or the poorest of poor in the country, and they can formulate the programs which will help in upliftment of entire society. Okay, and now let us understand the scope of statistics. The first one is, see, when I am talking about the scope of statistics, let's understand statistics in planning. See, plans drawn on basis of information available through statistics. So when the government plans anything, or even when you are planning, let's say the state is planning, when we are living in different states, when even the state is planning, every plan which is being made is based on the data which is collected through statistics. And next one is, what about business and management? Decisions related to marketing, production, finance, investments and control are made on basis of data provided. So, statistics in business and management will help you to make decisions regarding production, finance, marketing, investments, etc. And the next one is statistics in industry. Statistical charts and inspection plans helps in quality control. See, the charts which are presented in statistics, inspection plans helps you to control the quality of product. So basically when I am talking about statistics in industry, it helps to control the quality of product. Okay, it helps to enhance the production. And the fourth point is statistics in economics. Helps in understanding and solving economic problems. See, when I am talking about statistics in economics, it will help in understanding the economic problems which are begging in our country, and then we can solve problems based on the data which have been provided by statistics. So, this is the functions and scope of statistics. I hope you understand this. Thank you.